Hi, my name is Jessica, and I'm a senior instructional designer at Landing AI. You can create a snapshot of some or all of the images in your project at any time. A snapshot includes the selected images and their labels, metadata, tags, and labeling tasks. With snapshots, you can quickly perform actions like training a model using only the snapshot or creating new projects from it. We'll go into more detail on what you can do with snapshots later in this video. There are a few ways to save a snapshot manually. If you want to include all images in your snapshot, click the snapshot icon and select Save Snapshot. Enter a name for the snapshot and a brief description. You can click the snapshot preview and settings to review the details of the snapshot. Then click Save Snapshot. If you only want to include some images in your snapshot, select the images you want to save. Then click the Options button and select Save Snapshot. Complete the Create Snapshot form and save. To view the saved snapshots, click the snapshot icon and select Show Snapshot List. This page displays all the snapshots you manually created. When you train a model on the Build page, LandingLens automatically creates a snapshot of that trained data. By default, these auto-generated snapshots do not display in this list. To view these snapshots, deselect the Hide Auto-Generated Snapshot checkbox at the bottom of the screen. When you select a snapshot on this page, you can perform the following. Train a model using only the snapshot. Create new projects from the snapshot. Revert your project to a snapshot. Download the Pascal VOC files, a CSV with information about the images and labels in the snapshot, and a class map for the snapshot. And lastly, delete the snapshot. Visit the Landing AI Support Center and community for more information.